Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to copy YouTube video link. Firstly, get up into your application and then go down and take a look of a video which you have related into your interests. For example, in my interest is this video. Just I will tap on it, and if I find out the video, for example if it's this one, just type on the three dots right down, it will say share, go for copy link, and with this you have copied that YouTube video link. But also you have the chance by typing on the video, then take and hold on the video, and as you can see you have more options right down. You have the third option which is share. Click on share button, go copy link, and also with this you're gonna be able to get that copy video link on this YouTube video section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.